have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. Package. Hi everybody, welcome to this Mailbox Minute. This is Jen, and we got something from somewhere. All right, let's see what we got. This may or may not be a soap making supplies. This is a disclaimer right now. It may be a soap inspired project though, so if it is, you're gonna see it this weekend. So what have we got here? Oh, we've got elderberries, and we've got active dry yeast. So I'm going to be making some mead, some elderberry mead, obviously. If you want to see how that's made, come on back to the food section. This week will be a food presentation. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this and you come back and learn how to make elderberry mead or elderberry honey wine, or melomel is what it's called. And I use mine for soap making. Good stuff. Come on back, see how it's made. It takes a long time, so you may as well get started now. Bye for now.